I'm late. Thank God the app worked. I don't even know if I'll find a spot to leave the bike when I arrive. Sometimes I just like to go back to my car. I mean, comfortable ride, no rain, easy access to the maps. Oh, right, and the stereo. You have to look for it, unlock it, stop the ride through the app, and the bike is not even mine. I mean, after all, is all of this hassle for a shared bike really worth it?
Yes it is.
Whose voice is this?
Just keep pedaling. I'll show you why bike sharing makes sense by the time you'll be at your destination.
Okay.
So, first of all, the main advantage you already know about. Shared bicycles produce more than 6 times fewer gas emissions than private cars. In 2024, bike sharing in European cities helped avoid the equivalent of 4,300 average Europeans' annual emissions. So yes, every time you pick a shared bike instead of a car, you are actually helping the environment. But that's not enough, right?
Well, biking makes me cold during winter months, man.
Right. With around 2/3 of trips replacing sedentary travel either on a public transport vehicle or on a private one, bike-sharing users will tend to have a more active lifestyle. In 2024, bike-sharing helped prevent around 900 chronic disease cases across all Europe. So, even if you're cold during the first few minutes, trust me, you'll be healthier.
That's nice.
In addition to that, that's 40 million euros saved in healthcare costs, money that could be invested elsewhere. And that's just not about physical health, it's also mental.
Well, yeah, I guess you reminded me why I began.
Well, I expected that. But I want to give you a bit more info on the economical level. After all, it's not just about users' preferences, it's also investors' interest in the field that keeps your wheels going.
I'm not the next bike-sharing Jeff Bezos, man.
Irrelevant. As you already noticed, traffic in most European cities is quite bad. Some estimates say in 2024, some 760,000 hours that people would have spent in a car have been saved by bike-sharing schemes. That's the same as saving 87 years of sitting in traffic. Not missing your stereo anymore, are you?
That's tough.
And to add more social advantages to the table, bike-sharing businesses create on average 1 new job for every 75 shared bikes.
Wow, sounds like one of those could be the new job for me if I arrive late at work today. Again.
It could, indeed. Estimates by a study published in October 2025 explain how by 2030 a positive, growing landscape for bike sharing in Europe could likely get to develop. European bike sharing generates 305 million in positive externalities each year, and there is potential for this number to triple by 2030 and get to 1 billion.
Okay, cool. I've almost arrived though, so...
Wait, let me first sum that up for you. By 2030, each euro invested in bike sharing could actually yield a 75% annual return on public investment. All of this return includes all of the data I've already told you, the full-time job opportunities that could be created, all the prevented chronic disease cases, all the productivity gains from reduced traffic congestion, and last but not least, the reduction of air pollution and greenhouse gases emissions. Okay, now I'm done. What do you think about it? Hello? Are you there? Hello?
Alright, what is this about? I have to log into my account. I hate this. I mean, is all this hassle for a shared bike really worth it?
Yes. Yes, it is. Wait, what? What did I do wrong?